the things that Claude can do will blow your mind. So today I want to show you how to set up an account on Claude AI. So let's begin with that. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to you're going to go to your browser, right? So for me, I like using Google Chrome, but whichever browser, whether it's Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and there's Brave browser and so many others. So you're going to go to Google Chrome, and then in this bar up top, you see my mouse cursor, you're going to type in Claude AI, and you're going to go to that. And you're going to be met with this page, right? So you see it was trying to sign me in automatically, but I want to log out, right? I want to show you guys because you may not have an account already, right? That's the reason why you will be watching this video, most likely, right? So what you're going to do is you'll see some options. You'll see continue with Google, and that's if you have a Gmail, like a Google account, you can just tap continue with Google, and then you'll tap on the email account um, that you have created with Gmail, or if you're not logged in on the computer, you will um, log in with your Gmail, and then it will take you into Claude. So you can choose this option if you like to, but if you don't have a Gmail, you can just go down here and see that's one of my email addresses. Type in the email address, and for instance, let me just for this example, we type in my Hotmail, and then say continue email, right? And then it's gonna send you a link, right? So once you get that link, you're going to go to your email, and once you get that link, you're going to copy that code in your email address that you put in, and then you're going to come back here and put it in and put a verify email address, right? And after that, it's going to ask you to create a password, and then you'll be able to get into Claude, right? So let's go into Claude now, right? So once you're in, and then that's pretty much it. It's very easy. But once you're into Claude, see, you'll see down here, I have a pro plan because let me just show you how much it is. I paid it $20 a month, right? So I'm on a pro plan. With pro plan, what you have is and we'll talk about this in others videos coming down the pipeline. Claude Code. You have something called Claude Co-work, which is very interesting, right? You have Claude Design. You get higher usage limits. So when you're on a free plan, you can use Claude. Claude is free, right? But you're limited in terms of what models you could use. So you would be only able to use this model right here, Sonnet number 5. And it's still, a very good model for your everyday task, writing task, even some coding task. But if you really want to get down and build apps and websites and really get Claude to write um, whether it's a script or emails that are super professional, then I would definitely tell you upgrade at $20 a month if you can. But if not, it's totally fine. On the free plan, you'll get Sonnet 5, right? And as you'll see on the effort levels, you'll see it has a low, right? It has low, it has medium, which is the default, high, extra, and max. Whenever you use max, of course, the higher effort levels is the more tokens it will use. And when you go in settings, you'll see something. If I'm going too fast, obviously you can just pause the video. You will see something in settings. So you click at the bottom here, tap settings, and then you'll see usage. and it'll show you how much in your current session, right, you have usage, and it has a reset time that will reset to 0 in your current session, and it also have weekly limits, right? So, oh yeah, there's another option. So say that you exhausted all of your limits for the week. You can choose to actually um, go past the limit by using something called usage credits. And you can add money to your, let's say, your wallet in Claude, and it will just take money every time you prompt. It will take money from that, right? So, yeah, the higher your effort level is, the more of the usage will be taken. So pretty much you can look at it like, right? So that's pretty much it when it comes to setting up an account for Claude. In the next video, I want to go through um, how to actually utilize Claude to its full potential. So please watch out for that video. It's definitely coming this week. In a few days, watch out for it. All right. Thank you for joining, and I hope this was very helpful. Uh, Please, if it was helpful, leave us a comment, subscribe, some encouraging word. If you feel like it, that would be very much, very helpful. So thank you very much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. All right. Have a great day.